Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this tutorial is gonna be about the Telegram application, and I would like to show you the way how to archive someone's message on Telegram. So the first thing you have to do now is just go click the Telegram application with this icon to open the Telegram. And whenever you open the Telegram, now you just need to decide which chat or which contact that you want to archive. For example, I would like to archive this contact. So the things that you need to do is just slide the chat into the left side. Whenever you slide into the left side, there will be like three options appear here. Either you want to mute the contacts, delete the chat, or archive the message. So since we want to archive it, we need to go click this archive. And now those message will be archived, and there will be appear like on the top side here with the archived chat. You can like click it to open the archived chat that you already archived. So that's the way how to archive message on a Telegram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.